Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are making money as usual. So I passed my phase 1, I think was like 2 days ago with FundedNext, and I passed my phase 2 today in one single trade. So in today's video I'm going to break down exactly how I was able to get that trade that allowed me to pass my phase 2 with FundedNext. So I just added another 50k funded to my FundedNext account. So you guys know that I have three FundedNext live account, and I lost one last month, and now I pass another phase 2. So that means that I now got back my 3 account. And one thing that I want to tell you guys is when you buy an account with FundedNext, sometimes when they have some promo where when you buy an account you pass phase 1, pass phase 2, and when you get your live account, and if you manage to get a payout on your live account, then you get another free account. So that is the promo I've had, and then I got my account, I got my payout, and they give me another free account, and that free account I pass my phase 2 today. So today I'm going to break down that trade, so let's get into it. So this was the trade I've taken on gold. That was a buy, and I did not hold on to this high. My TP was pretty much around this high here. That was like around 5 hour, and you guys know that if you are risking 1% and you are looking to make 5%, all you need is 5 hours. So this was the setup I've had. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to let me even delete everything, and then I'm going to replay price before that buy happened, and I'm going to break down exactly how I was able to get that buy. So let me go to something like the H4, so I will show you guys something. So when I come to something like the H4, you guys see that gold's been really bullish, okay? And if you look at the market structure, the market structure is clearly bullish here, right? So when you are in a bullish market structure, all you want is you are looking for a bullish setup. You are looking for what? You are looking for buys. So when I come here, when I look at the latest swing, I can see that this is what price giving me. Pullback, give me this, pullback, and then give me this. So when I have this, what do I expect? You are expecting price to give you a pullback and eventually give you a new high to the upside again. And that pullback, where did price pull back to? You can see that price has pulled back to this sort of breaker block here. So price is bullish, it broke structure to the upside, and then now it gave us a pullback here, mitigated this guy, and eventually it's gonna give us a buy setup to the upside. So all I did is I just went to my lower time frame, something like the 15 minute, and I just look at the market structure. I was just looking for a reason for price to buy, and when I come to this uh 15 minute time frame, I can see that there's even some liquidity that price has taken here, because for you guys trading order blocks, you know that this is an order block and price just went through stop loss. But price did not just go through stop loss. If you see well, price came, it tapped, and then it bought, right? So now people are looking for buys, and now price went to stop loss. Okay, so after that stop loss, price gone to price has to give me a buy setup, and that buy setup here, you want to look for some sort of change of character in a pullback. So when I zoom in here, you can see that price gave us this pullback, this, and then pullback. So you want to see something like this, a break of structure, and then a buy setup. But in this case here, you can see that price did not break structure at first. You can see that price didn't break structure, it was giving some sort of sell. So what I did is, I don't remember uh if I had already buy here. I think I had like a buy one lot here, and I had another buy later. But the most important thing I was waiting for is I want to see price breaking this high here first. So when I replay price here, you can see that price eventually end up giving that break of structure. So you guys see that there's this sort of a PY here, and my buy came exactly somewhere around this PY, and then my stop loss was pretty much at this low here. And then you know where my TP was. I could have just target previous high here, as I was bullish. I just wanted to see price going up, but then I was also seeing this sort of POI here, and as gold already hit new all-time high, I don't know if that thing's gonna keep going higher. So my TP was pretty much at Asia high. So Asia high was my safest TP, and that was the setup I had. So as I told you guys, I have one buy here and I have another buy here too. Everything was like 5 hour, and that was the setup I had. And price took a while, right? I don't know why, but price has taken a while. At the point I thought that I'm even gonna hit a stop loss, because price came back to break even and end up flying away. But this was the setup, and that was pretty much the only setup I had that allowed me to pass my phase 2 with FundedNext. And this is my dashboard here. As you can see, profit made 2.5k, that's exactly 5%, as you can see here, and this is only one trading day. And I'm getting my live account probably by next week, because I need to get 5 trading days before I can get my live account. So if you watch the video till now, I can tell you guys that if I get this live account and I trade and I make over 5% on my first payout, I'm going to buy and give you guys a free 5k account or 6k. I don't know which account size FundedNext has, but I think they have 6k. So I'm going to give you guys 2 step 6k for free. So that would be for the giveaway if I get my live account and I get the payout. And as I'm talking here, I also have one payout tomorrow with FundedNext is around $600 payout or $400 payout, and I have another payout the following day, which is also not a big of a money, but I think is how much? Is not that much at all. It's like a $1,000 or $2,000 payout, something like that. So I think that would be it for today's video. I actually made some money on my Funding Pips account as well, but that would be another video for you guys. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys on the next one.